Hey friends, Chiwei here. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a round shag pillow. For this project, I used We Crochet Billow yarn, which is a thick and thin yarn made from 100% cotton. You will also need a 6mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a fine-tooth comb. For your first round, start with a magic circle. Work 1 single crochet stitch and 5 single crochet loop stitches into the magic circle. To work a single crochet loop stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, swing your hook to the outside of the working yarn and back around to catch the other side of the loop and pull through the stitch. Then yarn over and finish your single crochet. Try to work each loop stitch to be around 1.5 inches tall. At the end of the round, join to the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Continue following the pattern, always working in single crochet loop stitches, and you'll soon see all your loops on the other side of your work. When you finish your final round, fasten off with a tail that is 2 to 3 times the circumference of your pillow. You will use this length to seam the front and back panels of your pillow together. To secure your magic circle, take your beginning tail and thread it to the wrong side of the pillow. Tie a knot and weave in your ends to prevent your magic circle from coming apart. Turn the pillow over so that the loop side is facing up and start cutting open all of those loops. Once all the loops are cut, take a fine-tooth comb to brush out all the short fringe ends. For the edge of the pillow, it's easier to brush the fringe with the pillow turned upside down, so you don't get your comb accidentally caught in that last round of stitches. In addition to a comb, I find a wire dog brush also comes in handy. The thin wires really pull the fibers apart. Just know that in this process, you are going to shed a lot of yarn fiber. This billow yarn that I'm using is a mix of loosely and tightly twisted plies, which gives these brushed fibers their unique shaggy look, but the loosely twisted cotton fibers comes apart really easily. You'll want to brush the fringe out well to get the look you want. Just don't overdo it, as you could probably brush until there's no yarn left. That pile of fibers you've shed will be used as stuffing later on, so it won't go to waste. Once your pillow is all brushed out, take a quick minute to trim the edges. Work the back panel of the pillow just like you did the front, but using regular single crochet stitches instead. If you tend to work your loop stitches a bit loose like I do, you'll need to match your tension for the back panel or increase your hook size so that the two panels are the same size. To seam your pillow together, thread the long tail onto a tapestry needle, place your two panels together wrong sides facing, and mattress stitch the panels through each stitch in the round. To work the mattress stitch, insert your tapestry needle from back to front on each stitch, working in a figure 8 motion. Stop every few stitches to pull the seam tight. Don't pull too tight, as that can cinch your seam or break your yarn. Work your way around the pillow, leaving a 6 to 8 inch opening to add in the stuffing. You can also add in all of that extra fiber that you brushed out of the front of your pillow. Once the pillow is stuffed, use the mattress stitch to close the seam. Secure the ends with a knot and weave them in, leaving the final ends inside the pillow. Now all that's left is to enjoy your new shag pillow. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow me on Instagram. I'd love to see all of your Isla Shag Pillow projects. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!